back to American Dream Mansions, the ultimate destination for luxury real estate, dream homes, and the most breathtaking architectural masterpieces in the world. Today, we are taking you inside one of the most spectacular black and gold-themed luxury mansions ever featured on our channel. An ultra-modern residence designed for elegance, entertainment, and pure lifestyle perfection. From the drone view to the smallest interior detail, every inch of this home has been crafted to impress, and in today's full tour, you'll get to experience it all. As we begin with a stunning aerial drone shot, you can immediately see just how commanding this mansion truly is. The black exterior paired with golden LED accents gives the home a dramatic, royal presence. The sharp lines, modern glass architecture, and beautifully landscaped lawns create a view that feels straight out of a movie. From above, you can see the pool layout, outdoor lounge zones, terraces, and the overall scale of the property, setting the tone for the opulence that continues inside. Moving toward the main entrance, the grandeur becomes even clearer. The tall glass doors framed with gold detailing, the polished marble walkway, and the perfectly balanced symmetry form a powerful first impression. As the doors open, you're welcomed into a lobby that radiates elegance. Double-height ceilings, a massive chandelier, warm lighting, and a layout that feels both modern and timeless. This entrance alone reflects the true essence of a luxury lifestyle, and it's only the beginning. Stepping into the living room, the black and gold interior theme becomes the highlight of the home's design. Velvet sofas, gold-accented furniture, a marble center table, and beautifully layered lighting create a perfect blend of comfort and sophistication. Floor-to-ceiling windows bring in natural light, while the soft glow of golden fixtures adds warmth. This space is ideal for hosting guests or relaxing in style, and the overall ambiance feels like a five-star hotel suite. From the living room, we move into the heart of the home, the kitchen. Here, the craftsmanship is exceptional. Matte black cabinets contrast beautifully with gold handles and marble counters. The island features bar seating, premium appliances are integrated seamlessly, and LED strip lighting highlights every edge. It's not just a kitchen, it's a modern showpiece designed for both beauty and function. Whether you're preparing a simple breakfast or hosting a high-end dinner, this kitchen elevates the experience. Speaking of meals, the dining area is a masterpiece on its own. The long marble dining table, surrounded by golden-framed chairs, sits beneath a crystal chandelier that instantly becomes the focal point of the room. This area is designed for memorable gatherings, formal, elegant, and truly luxurious. The black and gold theme continues here with a perfect balance that enhances comfort while maintaining a premium aesthetic. Next, we explore the garage, which feels more like a luxury showroom. Polished flooring, LED lighting, and space for multiple premium vehicles make this garage a dream for car enthusiasts. Inside the master bedroom, serenity meets luxury. A king-sized bed with a velvet headboard, golden side lamps, modern artwork, and soft lighting create a peaceful yet stylish sanctuary. Large windows allow natural light to fill the room, while the overall decor maintains the mansion's signature theme. Paired with a spectacular walk-in closet and a spa-like bathroom featuring black marble, gold fixtures, and a freestanding bathtub, this suite is the definition of high-end living. Moving deeper into the house, you'll find the private gym, a sleek space equipped with modern workout machines, mirrored walls, and ambient lighting. It's the ideal environment for fitness lovers who want privacy without sacrificing quality. The entertainment section includes a luxurious TV lounge designed for comfort, movie nights, or casual relaxation. Plush seating, acoustic walls, and a large screen make this room one of the coziest spots in the house. No luxury mansion is complete without a swimming pool, and this one is extraordinary. Surrounded by black stone and illuminated with golden lighting accents, the pool glows beautifully at night. Lounge chairs, a relaxing deck, and outdoor greenery complete the scene, creating the perfect space for sunbathing, parties, or unwinding after a long day. Throughout this incredible mansion, the theme of modern elegance, bold design, and luxurious living remains consistent. Every room, surface, and material has been chosen with intention, showcasing what it truly means to live in style. If you enjoyed this tour, make sure to subscribe to American Dream Mansions for more breathtaking luxury home showcases. This is where dreams become reality, where architecture meets art, and where the finest homes in the world are brought directly to you.